use a handwriting expert if you need to see if some of the signature and the data is accurate. If it's microbiological, then collecting technical information like food temperature, pH, acidity, and water activity are important. In fact, they're very important because it determines whether the environment was right for organisms to be growing. And resource external independent laboratories is needed, whether that be through a physical analysis with a microscope, which determine whether meat has been cooked and protein has been denatured. And everything must support the strategy, as I mentioned. That kind of summarizes what I was talking about previously. The scope of data strategy as relates to supply chain. And what it does is it shows in the upper left-hand corner is farm inputs. It be collecting, cutting lettuce out of the fields in Salinas, California, hand, and goes into a food processing plant that's monitored for, that's where the product is actually washed, and cut, and cleaned, then packaged and going on to pallets in supply train trucks. It always helps your case to look at the whole supply chain, because what I've found, whether it's food manufacturing and restaurants, is that if there's a problem, seen it so many times in a restaurant, that is very apparent that food is unsafe or improperly prepared in a restaurant, there's usually about 6 or 7 other steps before that were all wrong also. There's always seems to be a chain of events,